if you want to enable and set up mobile hotspot on Samsung Galaxy A17, then first of all we need to go to settings. Over here in settings, we're gonna go to connections, and you should be able to find mobile hotspot and tethering. And then in here we can turn on and off mobile hotspot, but of course in order to do so, first we need to make sure that the data saver is disabled. So you're gonna go to to data usage, and let's disable the data saver. So in case that happens, you just have to go over here to turn off data saver. And there we go. Now we can turn on and turn off mobile hotspot like this. As you can see, we need to turn off Wi-Fi to be able to use mobile hotspot. Unfortunately, we cannot share the access to the internet with Wi-Fi. You will have to use your mobile data to create the hotspot. And in order to set it up, we need to tap on the mobile hotspot option itself. And as you can see over here, we have our network name, password, band, and so on and so forth. If you want to, for example, change the name of password, you can tap over here and you can easily do so. Once you configure the hotspot, you can just press done over here and then save. And there we go. And when the hotspot is enabled, at the bottom of the screen, you can also generate a QR code that you can use in order to scan on other devices to quickly connect with your hotspot. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.